Bubbles.
Bubble.
Nice job. Gotta clear out the bubbles. Oh, that's infected with bubbles too.
Bubba.
Puppy?
It's so funny about it. Lex, what you got?
She knows how to clear them out though.
She doesn't try to stand up at least when there's bubbles.
She was.
She was.
She found the side out.
Bubble.
Get him off you. Get him off you. Bubbles! Alright, let's get him off. Get him off. Get him off. Get him off. Just in time. Get him off. Get him off. Get him off. Hello? Call someone up about the bubbles. Tell them you got bubbles.
Oh.
Hello, we got bubbles. You mean tell them? Yeah, we got bubbles in here. Can we get some help? Here, they want to talk to you more about the bubbles, Lex. Can you tell them about the bubbles? Can you tell them how bad it is? Because I don't really know. I'm not afraid of bubbles.
She doesn't care anymore about the phone.
Bubbles can't hurt me. Yeah, it's like an oil spill. I know.
The ducks are covered.
They're killing the animals. Let's clean them off.
An oil spill.
Call in the scientists. Call in the humanitarians.
She won't look at it. Say hi to your grandparents, Alexis. Say hi to your grandparents.
Bubble.
Bubbles! Clean them off! Clean them off! Here, here's your phone back.
She's like, I have no idea what this stuff is.
Lava. Looks like lava.
Should have taken those toys to the pool.
Where's the shovel? Hey, what about this? This is a good bubble ritter.
Hey Lex, look at the camera. Hi pretty girl. Alexis. Close up.
You're gonna drop that thing right in the bath.
I'm not. Bye bye Lex.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye. I'm not gonna tell me bye now.
It's because you didn't leave.
Oh, I can video and leave at the same time. Okay.